This is because, according to ancestral cosmology, in the beginning there was one, a singularity known as Oma or Atu, and then the chi element of the Atu separated itself from the whole, creating the current phase of the universe we are in now, Wabo, the world of twos, a universe by which all things manifest in the two forms that were created from the separation of Oma, which are Eke, physical existence, and Chi, non-physical existence. The mother, Eke, and the father, Chi, creating the universal God body known as Chineke. Chineke is the fractal by which all things are born, meaning that the universe is an infinite array of repeating patterns. Every individual is an echo of divinity. Every particle in the universe has an equal and opposite antiparticle, but when you put a particle next to its antiparticle, two particles annihilate each other, creating an explosion which releases a burst of energy. Now remember this for when I get to the number 3. Light and other particles have two forms, one as a particle and two as a wave depending on how they are observed. DNA itself is formed by a double helix, and atoms themselves are made up of two things, quarks and antiquarks, that function in pairs. According to the ancestors, at all levels of existence, cosmic pairs allow each other to exist.